Hey, what's up, hypebeasts and sneakerheads? I am back with another sneaker review just in time for the fall. It has been a long time since I had my last review, but I do have a special surprise in this box right here, right now. A little bit about how I copped this special box, and I will tell you what that is right now. That is the Nike SACAI collaboration LDWaffle that is in this box. Got this pair by filling out a whole bunch of wrap. I am happy just to get one pair of the Nike SACAI waffle. As a fan of this silhouette, as a fan of when I first saw the pictures drop from Paris Fashion Week last year, I thought this was a pair that would really fit into my collection. Let's open up the box. And just a little bit about how I got this sneaker. It was a whole bunch of raffles. I actually slept on the Nike sneaker app, literally. So when that happened, I was kind of heartbroken, and then I was like, you know what? Hey, if I don't get the sneaker, then that's fine. But what ended up happening is because I filled out the raffle for the store and overseas, they ended up picking me, and I ended up picking up this pair. Really interesting colorway here. Not the one that I was actually going for. I actually wanted the black and white drop that was a part of this three-part collection. So let's just go into the detailing of the pink and green pair that I have in my hand right now. So the Nike SACAI collaboration, of course, SACAI is a Tokyo-based high fashion brand, and they've had a couple of collaborations over the past few years, and they're gaining some ground, and especially with this Nike collaboration. So this kind of helps their brand recognition, also helping Nike's brand recognition at the same time. And that's one of the reasons why I love collaborations. They do give really strong presence to a lot of the sneaker drops that you see, and it adds to the streetwear value in terms of at least how it's perceived in my eyes as a legit, awesome, really stylish pair that's comfortable to wear on the street, at work, whatever you're doing on the weekends. A little bit about the detailing. The Nike SACAI LDWaffle has this mesh material on the top, that goes all the way through the upper. And then we have our double lacing system that's in the front right here. Then you have your double tongue situation that is at the top as well. And then you have your double checks that are layered on top of each other. So these are some of the cues of the LDWaffle and the SACAI collaboration, that if you see these on the street, that's probably the best bet that this is the Nike SACAI. So if you're not a sneaker enthusiast like I am, the main reason why I like this pair is because it combines some creative, artistic, and high fashion value and appeal. And that's what I actually like. It's not something that you have to go to a high-end store to find. You can find this, relatively speaking, if you bought this on the Nike app, you can get it for $160 plus tax. But now the aftermarket retail on these is around probably $400 to $600. But if you're able to grab these for $160, then you have a nice pair that fits in with pretty much any high fashion value pieces that you're wearing on the street, or anything basic, which is what I usually like to wear as well. So you don't really have to dress this up. You can throw on something basic, simple colorways, and let the sneaker speak for itself. What I really like about this sneaker the tongue situation that's in the front. Of course, you have this top lettering or logo print for Nike, and then you have a Nike SACAI logo collaboration piece as well on the tongue. It does look like a comfortable sneaker. I haven't tried it on yet, of course, but I will try to let you know in the future how that goes. Going to more of the upper, you have a suede material around the front, then that meets with the sole, which is Not my favorite on the Nike SACAI, but it'll pass. I'll take it. So thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for more.